Hey guys, Andrew here for Nextshift, and today we have the Acer Nitro 7, a slim, value for money gaming laptop, and this is our quick hands-on with this gaming machine right here. First, let's get to the specs of the Nitro 7. This particular variant comes with an Intel Core i7-9750H processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti GPU, a 15.6-inch 1080p 144Hz display, as well as 8GB of RAM. In terms of storage, it has a 256GB SSD, which is not particularly big, but it should be good enough to install a couple of games here and there. Now, in terms of design, one of the biggest selling points of this laptop is the fact that it only measures 19.9mm thin. However, that's only the front part of the laptop. The back of the chassis is actually slightly thicker at 23.14mm thick. While that doesn't sound quite as impressive anymore, the Nitro 7 is still one of the slimmer gaming laptops in the market now. Build quality of the Nitro 7 is really quite good too. Most of the laptop is made out of metal, except for the plastic screen bezel, but that's not a big deal. There is no creak with any added pressure, and it just feels really well put together. That being said, I do have one small complaint. The edges of the laptop feels a little bit too sharp to the touch. Nonetheless, it does have pretty good port selections. It has 3 full-size USB-A ports, a USB-C connection, an HDMI output, as well as an RJ45 port. Chances are these ports should be good enough for most consumers. Another hardware that is really interesting on the Nitro 7 is its 144Hz display. Thanks to the high refresh rate, everything, and I mean everything, looks extra smooth on this display. Whether I'm gaming or just doing simple actions like moving the cursor, I can definitely notice the higher refresh rate. The display itself is really quite good too. You've got vibrant colors, great viewing angles, and even pretty good dynamic range as well. As for the Nitro 7's input devices, I've got nothing to complain about. The keyboard has a good amount of travel, so I can really type quite comfortably on this laptop, whether I'm gaming or just writing an article. Throughout my time with this laptop, I never found the keyboard to be subpar or lacking in any meaningful way. Not surprisingly, even the trackpad is really good. My fingers can glide effortlessly on the surface of the trackpad, and it's very accurate. In fact, I've used only the trackpad for my productivity works. Never did I feel like I need to plug in a mouse to work effectively with this laptop. And of course, we've got the gaming performance of the Nitro 7. The Core i7 processor and the GTX 1660 Ti GPU can really run games well on this machine. Of all the games that I've tested on this laptop, including Fortnite, Apex Legends, as well as PUBG, I got well over 60 frames per second, so needless to say, that's a very playable frame rate. Looking closer at the numbers, it's actually really quite close to the RTX 2060's performance. Of course, you don't get features like ray tracing or DLSS with this GPU, those are exclusive to the RTX cards, but if you just want good frame rate, the GTX 1660 Ti can definitely offer that. The Acer Nitro 7 is a great option for gamers who want a slim gaming laptop with a good level of performance. Of course, you can get a similar GPU and CPU combo at a lower price point, but you won't get the slim chassis of this laptop, which is really quite a good selling point. If there is anything that's lacking with the Nitro 7, it would be the SSD storage. With only 256GB of storage to work with, you can fill it up relatively quickly, especially if you got a huge game collection. That being said, you can easily add more storage, but that would be a bit of a DIY on your part. The Acer Nitro 7 is now available in Malaysia for 5,199 ringgit. Of course, that's for the GTX 1660 Ti model we have here. If you want the more affordable GTX 1650 variant instead, that one retails at 4,899 ringgit. But given the small price difference between the two variants, I would definitely recommend going for the 1660 Ti model like this one right here. If you'd like to learn more about the Nitro 7, our full review of this gaming laptop can be found in the description down below. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more good stuff to come here at Nextshift.